So we finally got our first look at the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and the rest of the 26 lineup. What's up guys, Aman here, and here there are the Galaxy S26 series. These are dummy unit built of CAD dimension that Samsung provide to case maker. Every phone in the lineup is getting a new camera design which includes the Pro and the Ultra and the Edge. Firstly, let's start with the Ultra. For months now, we have been hearing that the S26 Ultra could look like a little bit round and get a new camera layout. And from this image, that basically confirm all the S26 model share the same level of round corners. Now, here is a big one. Every S26 model comes with a built-in magnet for QI2 wireless charging. What's even more impressive is that beside that magnet inside, the S26 Ultra will still support the S Pen with the built-in slot. Camera-wise, the only sensor upgrading is happening on the 3x telephoto camera, but main and periscope camera are both getting aperture improved, and that is important because it should noticeably improve image quality in low light situation. Moving on to S26 Pro, it's rocking the same new camera design, but I am little bit disappointed. I was hoping the Pro could be more like a mini Ultra now that they have changed the name, but it has 3 camera just like before. Hopefully at least the main camera make a jump to 200 megapixel to justify the name change. Otherwise, it's just branding without nothing. So that's the S26 Ultra and Pro. The Ultra look promising, but the Pro feels like a missed opportunity unless Samsung really deliver on the 200 megapixel sensor. I do love to hear your thoughts on the Galaxy S26 lineup. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.